My name's Kent Revere. I work for KD Doors. I'm the sales manager. Been with the company now just under 2 years, and we've been developing the market and the customer base, and it's been so far very successful. The business itself works in 3 levels: install, service and repair. The product base is commercial doors and roller shutters, section overhead doors and auxiliary products such as dock levelers, dock shelters, and we cover mostly the commercial businesses such as the food and drink distribution centres, industrial units, engineering companies. The whole market is quite vast and varied. The products are dock levelers, dock shelters, steel doors, section overhead doors, roller shutters. We support quite a number of customers. We've got Howden's Joinery in partnership with other companies, national food and distribution companies. We do a lot of support work there, installations and repairs. We deal with the plant hire company systems. Also, we do the car manufacturing and sales companies. We also support local and small businesses for the one-off sale that's required, or repair or service. We support the whole local community.